Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by powering and connecting the X8. First, plug in the magnetic charger and let the battery reach roughly 50%. This prevents interruptions during pairing. Once charged, press and hold the side button to power the watch. You'll see the boot logo. On your phone, install the X8 companion app, enable Bluetooth and location permissions, and open the app. Tap Pair, then select the X8 from the device list. When prompted, confirm the pairing code on both devices to secure the connection. Once paired, update the watch firmware through the app. This fixes bugs and enables new features. After updating, customize your watch face and set notification preferences. Choose which apps can push alerts so you don't get overwhelmed. Adjust vibration intensity and do not disturb schedules to match your daily rhythm. Next, sync contacts, calendar events, and health data by granting permissions. This lets you read messages and track workouts. Make sure AutoSync is enabled so changes on the phone reflect automatically on the X8. Finish by running quick tests. Place a call, send a text, measure heart rate, and take a short GPS walk to verify accuracy. If notifications or sensors don't respond, reboot the watch and check Bluetooth on your phone. Once done, repair the device in the app if problems persist. If issues remain, back up your data in the app and perform a factory reset. This clears corrupted settings and often resolves stubborn faults. One tip: reset only after a backup to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.